Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Standalone Contacts app, which for me is right over here. Once you open it up, you can see that there's already a bunch of contacts visible here, but they are all on the SIM card based on that tiny little icon that is right below that letter. So, to actually import those contacts, you want to tap on the three bars right here, go into the settings where you'll find import option. And in here you will have a bunch of other options, so we can import it to copy contacts from. So this is where you want to get them from, so SIM card. Now you can get them from a couple of different places like SD card, internal shared storage, phone, and SIM, along with Google accounts if you are logged into Google. And then copy them too. Again, we have here we have only one option, the phone, but for instance, if I were logged into Google, that would be also one of the options where I can import those contacts. So let's tap on next, and from here you can select each contact that you want to import. So simply tap on it like this, and from there, once you have selected every contact that you want, tap on OK, and there we go. That's basically contacts imported. Now they will unfortunately repeat once they're imported, so you can see we have two Elon Musks right here, one on a SIM card and one not. But if you, for instance, remove the SIM card, as you can see, they will disappear. So that being said, that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.